Paul Psolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com, and today we're going to look at the first question from the Digital SAT Test 1, Module 2. This is the harder set of questions from the Bluebook app. Number 1 reads, which expression is equivalent to 9x squared plus 7x squared plus 9x? Well, you want to think of it this way. Here you've got 9x squareds. Here you've got another 7x squareds. You're adding them. How many x squareds would you have? You'd have 16x squareds. The correct answer is D. Notice answer choice A is if you multiplied the coefficients and added the exponents, that would be if you're multiplying. Answer choice B just adds these two by mistake and then just drops an exponent on the 7x squared. That doesn't make sense. And then this one just adds all of the coefficients and the exponents. D is your answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty knowing which terms to combine. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out that 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.